Welcome back to my YouTube channel LiveXTech256. Open Google Play. Open your Google Play. Search for the app called Internet Speed 5G. Internet Speed 5G. Internet Speed 5G. First, I think you're seeing it. Download the app. Download the app. I think you are seeing the reviews. Open the app. Open your app. Give it time. Give it some time to open. Give it some time. It has opened. Remind me later. Tap on start. Tap on speed test. Let's wait for the ad. Close the ad. Tap on begin. Give it time. Give it time. Give it time. Give it time before it starts. Give it time. Give it time. Boom, boom, boom. It's starting. Boom, 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 boom. I think you are seeing the speed. You are seeing the speed. Very, very speedy. Now you can enjoy. Let's open our Tun VPN. Open our Tun VPN. Let's connect it. Let's wait for it. Let's wait for it.